Hello, bright minds. Get ready to dive into the vibrant world of HTML as we explore the magic of font size, style, color, and even background color. So, kick back, relax, and let's embark on this exciting learning journey together. Watch, learn, and let your creativity soar.
Download the HTML code of font style, size, and background color and paste it to your student profile HTML. You can see the HTML code link in the previous video. Follow the step-by-step process in the video. Don't forget to leave comments, and if you have questions, please feel free to ask and leave a message on the comment section.
After all this time, I thought you were
Congratulations, you have changed your font style, size and background color. Wait for the upcoming videos about how to insert pictures on the HTML.